Are weeds, brush, and trees encroaching on your permanent pasture? Make a positive impact on the long-term health and productivity of your land by implementing a pasture management program. The range and pasture experts at Corteva Agriscience have created a variety of tools and resources to help you grow more grass and improve the health and sustainability of your land. One such tool is our Sprayer Calibration Calculator, which makes it easy to calibrate your ground application equipment. To use, first select your type of sprayer. If your sprayer is boomed, add the number of nozzles on your boom. Measure between each nozzle along the boom and add this value into the calculator. Add the volume of water released per nozzle in 30 seconds. Do this by hanging a measuring device off the nozzle and running the sprayer. Enter your desired spray volume per acre using the recommendations for the product you're applying. Finally, press Calculate for your recommended travel speed. If you're working with a Boomless sprayer, add the number of nozzles on your sprayer. Enter the total distance of your spray swath. This value is calculated by running water through the nozzles at the appropriate pressure and measuring the width of the swath at ground level. Add the total volume of water released by all nozzles in 30 seconds. Do this by hanging a measuring device off the nozzle and running the sprayer. When using individual nozzles on a multi-nozzle Boomless system, use the same steps but only measure spray output and width for the particular nozzle being used. Enter your desired spray volume per acre using the recommendations for the product you're applying. Finally, press Calculate for a recommended travel speed. Now that you've calculated your desired spray speed, it's important to note the application rates and tank mix partners of our Range and Pasture products. When applying Grazing XC, Reclaim 2, Restore 2, or Tordon 22K to effectively manage weeds and brush, always follow the product labels to ensure the best results. Keep in mind the recommended buffer zones and do not spray our herbicides over the top of desirable trees. Apply Reclaim 2 and Restore 2 only up to the drip line. And with Grazing XC and Tordon 22K, applications should remain a distance of 1.5 times the height of desirable trees at all times. Once applied, our Range and Pasture products have no grazing restrictions for livestock. All animals should be withdrawn 3 days prior to slaughter. For lactating dairy animals, follow a 7-day grazing restriction after applications of Grazing XC, Reclaim 2, Restore 2, and Tordon 22K. Remember to read and follow all label instructions to ensure proper stewardship and effective use of our herbicides. Corteva Range and Pasture. Effective, reliable, sustainable pasture management solutions.